I have been talking about Facebook ads in my previous video and telling you how it provides you the best way to reach out to more people, to reach out to your customers. So when I have talked about how you can actually choose your audience by knowing their interests, by knowing the place where they live, by knowing their age and all of this. So after talking about this, a question which I get asked a lot, okay, and that is, how can you decide your targeted audience? How do you know who is your targeted audience? Okay, so today in this video I'll be talking about targeted audience research. Okay, and this is very important if you actually want to run a Facebook ads, and I'll talk about how we'll do it and what are the things you need to the points you have to keep in mind while doing a targeted audience research. So if you guys are excited, keep watching the video till the end. Before we move on with the video, talk about anything else, right now go down below, subscribe my channel. Okay, it's totally free, so you can it does not cost you anything. Okay, so right now go down below, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification. So after you guys have done this, so let's move on with the video. So things you need to keep in mind while you're doing a targeted audience research. Okay, what you need to know, what you need to find out. Okay, so a few things. The age, the gender, their Facebook pages they'll be following, their interests, their pain points, where they are living, okay, the city, the country, and their income range and their buying habits. Okay, so these things so you have to note down these things when you're doing a targeted audience research. You need to know about all of these points, then you can easily create an ad campaign, an ad set and an ad. So the first thing is age. Okay, so when you talk about age, you need to know what is the age group of your audience. Okay, so let me take an example in this video and tell you according to that. Okay, so suppose you are a sports shoe selling company. Okay, so the age group which you will be choosing will be something from like 15-16, okay, until 25 to 30. Okay, because let's be practical. Okay, children less than of 15-16 years of age are actually not even 15-16. You should actually keep it 18. Okay, because children less than age of 18 are not independent. So children less than age of 18 will actually go and ask their parents for the money and ask them to buy their shoes for them. Okay, so if you're creating a brand awareness, then you can use that age group of 15-16. Okay, but if you actually want people to turn into your customers, then I guess you should use the age of 18. And if you talk about people of age of more than 35, okay, let's take it 35 in general, and what will happen, those people would actually buy things online, I guess. Okay, people of age group of more than 30 or 35 will not be that active, okay, that they'll buy sports shoes. Okay, and if they even are, they'll usually go and buy it from a shop. So we need to choose the age group from where people are actually active online and will actually see your ad and will be interested. Okay, so you can that is how you can choose you can decide the age group of the audience you have. Okay, and yeah, so the next thing, which was gender. Now this is very practical. Okay, if you're selling something like a makeup product, of course they're gonna choose a gender female. And if you're talking something of course like a gents shoes or gents clothing, then of course you're gonna choose choose the gender of a male. If you are selling something which is, you know, unisex, of course you're gonna choose all both the genders. Okay, so yeah, that was so that is very simple to understand. Next thing was the page they like. Okay, now you need to search according to your, you know, according to your brand, according to whatever you are selling or whatever you're providing to your audience, what will be the pages your audience would be following. Okay, so suppose if we talk about we were talking about sports shoes, right? So so if we talk about sports shoes, then of course people will be following pages like Nike or Adidas or any sports shoes like Puma and all of these things. Okay, all of these brands. So you can you need to find out all of that. Okay, there's an option in Business Manager of target of your audience insights. Okay, which will help you much better to search which audience you want. And yeah, tell me if you guys want a tutorial of that, how you can actually use it and see and get to know who are your audience and target your audience much better. Okay, so that is something you need to know. You need to go and research for that, and that's how you'll get to know what is your targeted or how is what are the pages followed by your targeted audience. Okay, now the next thing is the interest. Okay, so when we talk about sports shoes, so of course a person interested in sports will usually buy a sports shoes. Okay, and that can be, you know, it can be any sports. Okay, so you need to take it you know, it may be cricket, it may be tennis, it may be football, it may be anything. So those are the interests. So that's how you decide an interest. Okay, so that you need to know according to your brand. Okay, suppose if you are selling so of course if you're selling something like a makeup products or skincare products, you have to know that okay, that person that girl or that lady or that person is actually interested in makeup. Okay, so that is how you decide the interest of your audience. Okay, now the pain points. Okay, so what are the pain points? What is pain point? Okay, so pain point is something which your customer is in need of, and that thing you are providing to your customer. Okay, so when you talk about sports shoes, then you can say like you are finding for a very comfortable sports shoes with a good price range. Okay, you know, a good comfortable, you know, which is coming under your budget. Okay, something like that. Okay, that will be the pain point of your audience, and you are providing that thing to your audience, to your customers. Okay, so that is what you need to know. What are the pain points faced by your audience? Okay, next thing is city or country. Okay, now city and country is something you need to test. Okay, of course if you are selling it generally, okay, of course if you're selling only in India, then you have to test those different cities in India. Okay, if you take it generally in India, there are so many places in India. You know, maybe your ad is shown somewhere in some places where people are actually not interested, or people don't have the budget to get something or which you are providing, or something, or people are not even interested in something you are providing. So then you need to know in which city you are going to sell. Okay, and you need to test and see which are the cities are giving you the best result, and you need to target only that city. Okay, so yeah, keep that in mind. Then it comes is income range. So income range you don't need in every business. Okay, but if you are selling something which is a bit costly, suppose you are selling a car. Okay, if you have a company which is selling a car, then you need to take care of that, because of course a person with the income range maybe less than 50,000, let's keep it 50,000, will of course will not be able to afford your car maybe. Okay, and might not even be interested in it. Okay? So that is when you need to take care of the income range your audience will be having. Okay, next thing is buying habits. Now when we talk about buying habits, then like I told the example of a car, then you can think of like, okay, that person's buying habits may be of a car, maybe of a two-wheeler, of something. Okay, a person has a two-wheeler and wants to change it to a car, maybe. Okay, that thing is might be there. So you need to know the buying habits. Okay, suppose like I am interested in makeup and all of these things, so I generally get ads from Nykaa. So because it knows that I am interested in makeup, and that's why they keep showing me ads of all of these things. Okay, like, so even you need to know the buying habits of your customer, so you can target the right audience and show them your ads and turn them into your customers. Okay, so yeah, that was the points I wanted to discuss in this video. Now hopefully you are clear. Now hopefully you can do your target audience research much better, and yeah, hopefully this video was helpful for you. And don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel if you haven't till now. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is swastika_arya_. I share a lot of things over there too. Okay, yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.